Hi, I'm Jen with Caketastic Cakes, and if you've seen any of my cake decorating tutorials before, you know that I do everything in my own kitchen. I don't have a bakery, I don't use expensive specialty tools. Everything that I use, I get off of Amazon. So why I'm telling you this is because right now Amazon Prime Day sales are going on for the 8th and the 9th, and a couple of my absolute must-haves are on sale right now. But if you do want to go try to get savings yourself, you do have to be signed up to be a Prime member. The one item that I use all the time that's on sale right now is my KitchenAid mixer. I've had this thing for over 20 years, so it doesn't look exactly like what's on sale right now, but that's the kind of quality you get. And it is expensive, so while it's on the Amazon Prime Day sales, you should grab one if you've been thinking about it or if you could use one. I use it for more than just cakes. It goes on to cookie doughs, breads, fillings, all kinds of stuff, and meringues, like anything you could think of that you want to mix or whip. This thing will do it for you. And there's a ton of attachments on sale as well. So you can do a whole lot more than I even do with it. And the other one that's on sale that I really, really highly recommend and love, and I use all the time personally, are the Satin Ice products. I specifically use the gum paste and the fondant all the time. Highly recommend them. They're quality items. They are on sale, so you should stock up if you're interested in them. But the fondant you use to cover the cake to make it look all smooth and pretty. The gum paste you use in order to create decorations that will hold their shape. And I actually have a video comparing the two if you're interested on my site on YouTube. So if you go to my shop in the link below, it's amazon.com/shop/caketastic cakes. You can see these two items there as recommended items that I highly recommend you get and use, as well as reviews of everything. And many other baking products are on sale as well. So happy shopping, happy baking. Make sure you're a Prime member.